Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
As Bhagavati, the capital of Naglok, is protected by the Nags, so was Dvārkā protected by the descendants of Vrishni Bhoj, Madhu, Dashara, Aha, Kukara, Andaka, etc., who were as strong as Lord Krishna. The Naglok planet is situated below the Earth planet, and it is understood that the sun rays are hampered there. The darkness of the planet is, however, removed by the flashes of the jewels set on the heads of the Nags, celestial serpents, and it is said that there are beautiful gardens, rivulets, etc., for the enjoyment of the Nags. It is understood here also that the place is well protected by the inhabitants. So also the city of Dvārkā was well protected by the descendants of Vrishni, who were as powerful as the Lord, insofar as he manifested his strength upon this earth.